How to fix Twitter show button not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if the Twitter show button is not working on your mobile device, follow the steps to resolve the issue. First of all, you need to go ahead and update the Twitter application. So go to your App Store if you're using iOS devices and Play Store if you're using Android. Go ahead and search for YouTube application. If you see an update button over there, simply go ahead and update it to its latest version, as outdated app versions often cause show button problems. Now go ahead and tap and hold on to the Twitter application. Tap on the eye icon in the top. Then scroll down and go to storage. From here, click on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. And if you're using browser, you can clear cookies and cache for x.com. Another thing you can do is you can try force stopping this application and re-enable it again, and ensure that you've given all the permissions to Twitter. And if the data saver is on, go ahead and turn it off, as data saver can sometimes block images and buttons. Disable it in the app settings. Now try using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi, or try a different device or browser. The problem might be related to your account or your device. Or you can also try logging out and log back in to your Twitter account. This simple step can often reset a broken user interface. And if nothing else works, you can try uninstalling this application completely from your device and reinstall it. And if the problem still persists, the problem might be a bug on Twitter's servers. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.